Alrighty, got a pickup here. I think I know what this is. This is one I just crept up on. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. The one I crept up on for like 75 bucks, man. Because I was looking at this colorway online on eBay too. They had it cheap, but it just wasn't cheap enough for me to grab it. When I saw 75 bucks free shipping, alrighty then. I'll take it. The Huarache 2K4. Is this the Wolf Gray? What is this? Yep, Wolf Gray colorway. Pretty dope. This is the third colorway of this shoe I have. I've always been a fan of this shoe. These are pretty smooth, man. Pretty smooth. And as usual, you know what I'm probably going to do in them. Play ball. Not a bad ball shoe, not the greatest. I mean, the zoom in the shoe is kind of alright. It's not the greatest, but heck, it was from 2004, so. This is one of Kobe Bryant's old signature shoes, man. What he used to wear. The Huarache 2K4 Wolf Gray.